Hello and welcome. This week we had a lot of chicks hatch. Here is a special highlight.
Oh my, look at that. You look like Mom. Hey, check this out. This is probably the shell. Hey, this is the shell. Yeah, that's the empty shell. Olivia has one out too. Okay, come. I was expecting more, so it's just the one so far. Like silver. You look all silver. Wow. Can you take a look, Betty? Can you take a look? Oh, look at that. There's a hole that gets it moving. One's working on it. So two of Betty's are pipping. I got a bit of news. My wife is on her way, driving about an hour and 40 minutes away to pick up some silky eggs for Mabel to hatch. I'm thinking that Mabel might be able to handle 6 silky eggs. Wow! She's working hard. Okay, yeah, you want to get out. We'll let me out soon. And there's that one working. Alright, buddy. Can we have a look? Betty's got yeah, that one's got a pit. That one's got a pit. Can we take a peek? How's everyone doing here? Okay, we've still got this one's still struggling. I've got one to take a look at. So Broken Leg still has 2. I need to check on the other one. Come here. And you got 3. And let's see, no pip. And then, nope. So these other 3 may or may not hatch.
Burpee seemed to have a limp, and so Filmer Tim had to run around and try and catch her. The wind was in full force this week at the farm, even more than the last time. So much wind that it took a tree out, which crashed into the silky fence. We replaced that section of fence and now all is well. But while we were working, Evan figured out how to get into Scissors' area. Scissors is starting to do a lot better with me hand feeding him food. We wrap this week up with the cutest tiny little crows. Come say hi to us at Twitch TV/OurChickenLife.
Who was it? Was it Seabright or the Flutter Feet?